للذين أحسنوا الحسنى وزيادة ولا يرهق وجوههم قتر ولا ذلة أولئك أصحاب الجنة هم فيها خالدون.
For those who do good, there's good reward, and more besides. Neither gloom nor humiliation shall cover their faces. They are the people of the garden, and in it they shall abide.
والذين كسبوا السيئات جزاء سيئة بمثلها وترهقهم ذلة ما لهم من الله من عاصم كأنما أغشيت وجوههم قطعا من الليل مظلما أولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون.
Those who do evil deeds, the recompense of an evil deed is its like, and humiliation shall spread over them, and there will be none to protect them from Allah. Darkness will cover their faces as though they were veiled with the dark blackness of night. These are the people of the fire, and in it they shall abide.
ويوم نحشرهم جميعا ثم نقول للذين أشركوا مكانكم أنتم وشركاؤكم فزيلنا بينهم وقال شركاؤهم ما كنتم إيانا تعبدون.
And the day when we shall muster them all together, we shall say to those who associated others with Allah in His divinity, keep to your places, you and those whom you associated with Allah. Then we shall remove the veil of foreignness separating them. Those whom they had associated with Allah will say, it was not us that you worshipped.
فكفى بالله شهيدا بيننا وبينكم إن كنا عن عبادتكم لغافلين.
Allah's witness suffices between you and us, that even if you worshipped us, we were totally unaware of your worshipping us.
هنالك تبلو كل نفس ما أسلفت وردوا إلى الله مولاهم الحق وضل عنهم ما كانوا يفترون.
Thereupon everyone shall taste the recompense of his past deeds. All shall be sent back to Allah, their true Lord, and then all the falsehoods they had fabricated will have forsaken them.
قل من يرزقكم من السماء والأرض أم من يملك السمع والأبصار ومن يخرج الحي من الميت ويخرج الميت من الحي ومن يدبر الأمر فسيقولون الله فقل أفلا تتقون.
Ask them, who provides you with sustenance out of the heavens and the earth? Who holds mastery over your hearing and sight? Who brings forth the living from the dead and the dead from the living? Who governs all affairs of the universe? They will surely say, Allah. Tell them, will you then not shun going against reality?
فذلكم الله ربكم الحق فماذا بعد الحق إلا الضلال فأنى تصرفون.
Such then is Allah, your true Lord. And what is there after truth but error? How then are you being turned away?
كذلك حقت كلمة ربك على الذين فسقوا أنهم لا يؤمنون.
Thus the word of your Lord is fulfilled concerning the transgressors, that they shall not believe.
قل هل من شركائكم من يبدأ الخلق ثم يعيده قل الله يبدأ الخلق ثم يعيده فأنى تؤفكون.
Ask them, is there any among those whom you associate with Allah in His divinity, who brings about the creation of all beings in the first instance and will then repeat it? Tell them, it is Allah who brings about the creation of all beings and will then repeat it. How are you then being misled?
قل هل من شركائكم من يهدي إلى الحق قل الله يهدي للحق أفمن يهدي إلى الحق أحق أن يتبع من لا يهدي إلا أن يهدى فما لكم كيف تحكمون.
Ask them, are there among those whom you associate with Allah in His divinity any who can guide to the truth? Say, it is Allah alone who guides to the truth. Then who is more worthy to be followed? He who guides to the truth, or he who cannot find the right way unless others guide him to it? What is wrong with you? How ill do you judge?
وما يتبع أكثرهم إلا ظنا إن الظن لا يغني من الحق شيئا إن الله عليم بما يفعلون.
Most of them only follow conjectures, and surely conjecture can be no substitute for the truth. Allah is well aware of whatever they do.
وما كان هذا القرآن أن يفترى من دون الله ولكن تصديق الذي بين يديه وتفصيل الكتاب لا ريب فيه من رب العالمين.
And this Quran is such that it could not be composed by any unless it be revealed from Allah. It is a confirmation of the revelation made before it and a detailed exposition of the book. Beyond doubt, it is from the Lord of the entire universe.
أم يقولون افتراه قل فأتوا بسورة مثله وادعوا من استطعتم من دون الله إن كنتم صادقين.
Do they say that the messenger has himself composed the Quran? Say, in that case bring forth just one surah like it and call on all whom you can except Allah to help you if you are truthful.
بل كذبوا بما لم يحيطوا بعلمه ولما يأتهم تأويله كذلك كذب الذين من قبلهم فانظر كيف كان عاقبة الظالمين.
In fact, they arbitrarily rejected as false whatever they failed to comprehend, and whose final sequel was not apparent to them. Likewise, had their predecessors rejected the truth, declaring it falsehood. Do observe then what was the end of the wrongdoers.
ومنهم من يؤمن به ومنهم من لا يؤمن به وربك أعلم بالمفسدين.
Of those some will believe and others will not. Your Lord fully knows the mischief makers.
وإن كذبوك فقل لي عملي ولكم عملكم أنتم بريئون مما أعمل وأنا بريء مما تعملون.
And if they reject you as false, tell them, my deeds are for myself, and your deeds for yourselves. You will not be held responsible for my deeds, nor I for your deeds.
ومنهم من يستمعون إليك أفأنت تسمع الصم ولو كانوا لا يعقلون.
Of them some seem to give heed to you. Will you then make the deaf hear even though they understand nothing?
ومنهم من ينظر إليك أفأنت تهدي العمي ولو كانوا لا يبصرون.
And of them some look towards you. Will you then guide the blind even though they can see nothing?
إن الله لا يظلم الناس شيئا ولكن الناس أنفسهم يظلمون.
Surely Allah does not wrong people, they rather wrong themselves.
ويوم يحشرهم كأن لم يلبثوا إلا ساعة من النهار يتعارفون بينهم قد خسر الذين كذبوا بلقاء الله وما كانوا مهتدين.
But today they are oblivious of everything except enjoyment of worldly life. And on the day when He will muster all people together, they will feel as though they had been in the world no more than an hour of the day to get acquainted with one another. It will then become evident that those who called the lie to meeting with Allah were the utter losers and were not rightly directed.
وَإِمَّا نُرِيَنَّكَ بَعْضَ الَّذِي نَعِدُهُمْ أَوْ نَتَوَفَّيَنَّكَ فَإِلَيْنَا مَرْجِعُهُمْ ثُمَّ اللَّهُ شَهِيدٌ عَلَى مَا يَفْعَلُونَ.
Whether we let you see during your lifetime some of the chastisement with which we threaten them, or we call you to us before the chastisement strikes them, in any case they are bound to return to us. Allah is witness to all that they do.
وَلِكُلِّ أُمَّةٍ رَسُولٌ فَإِذَا جَاءَ رَسُولُهُمْ قُضِيَ بَيْنَهُم بِالْقِسْطِ وَهُمْ لَا يُظْلَمُونَ.
A messenger is sent to every people, and when their messenger comes, the fate of that people is decided with full justice. They are subjected to no wrong.
وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْوَعْدُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
They say, if what you promise is true, when will this threat be fulfilled?
قُل لَّا أَمْلِكُ لِنَفْسِي ضَرًّا وَلَا نَفْعًا إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ اللَّهُ لِكُلِّ أُمَّةٍ أَجَلٌ إِذَا جَاءَ أَجَلُهُمْ فَلَا يَسْتَأْخِرُونَ سَاعَةً وَلَا يَسْتَقْدِمُونَ.
Tell them, I have no power to harm or benefit even myself except what Allah may will. There's an appointed term for every people, and when the end of their term comes, neither can they defer it for an hour, nor can they bring it an hour before.
قل أرأيتم إن أتاكم عذابه بياتا أو نهارا ماذا يستعجل منه المجرمون.
Tell them, did you consider what you would do were his chastisement to fall upon you suddenly by night or by day? So why are the culprits seeking to hasten its coming?